Hey everybody, my name is Karina, welcome back. Today I'm making a delicious capirotada. This is my dad's all-time favorite dessert, and honestly, it's very easy to make. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 4 to 5 bolillos. I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces because we'll be toasting them. About this size. We add butter on both sides. I set my skillet on low heat and I'm gonna start toasting the bread. You can also buy them toasted at the supermarket. Once it looks like this, you can flip them. They're ready and I'm gonna take them out. Now we're gonna make the mixture for the capirotada. I set my pot on medium heat and I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. To that, I'm gonna add 1 piloncillo, 1 cinnamon stick, and 4 cloves. And we wait until the piloncillo dissolves. Once the piloncillo has melted, I'm gonna add 1 cup of whole milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We give it a mix and we leave on medium heat for about 5 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Now we're gonna start dipping our bread into the mixture and transfer onto our baking tray. And we keep doing the same. Once we have 1 layer, I'm gonna start adding toppings. We add some raisins, some shredded coconut, some pecans, and some sliced almonds. We add more of the milk mixture. Now we add another layer of bread. Raisins, coconut, pecans, almonds, and last, some sprinkles. And we top it off with some more mixture. Now we bake in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. It's been 10 minutes and our capirotada is ready. And there you have it, delicious capirotada. Alright guys, moment of truth. This is so delicious. You can add any toppings you want. In Sinaloa, we add bananas, queso, also tortillas on the bottom. Cheers. It's so good, and I'm not a big fan of raisins, but capirotada without raisins, you cannot have it. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.